Hi guys, so as I said some videos ago, I've been reading the Bible, and although I don't have any formal religion, I consider myself a Christian in the sense that I follow his teachings and his path because it's just brilliant. And I also follow other people who are brilliant, but Jesus is just wonderful. And today I found that my daughter and my ex-husband went to Rio, and they didn't I don't know how they did because she's a minor and I didn't authorize, but anyway, institutions are not a fan of mine here. And they went to a party and they were happy, and they didn't call my dad, they didn't call my sister or my mom. They just eliminated my existence. So after a long time, like more than a year, I was really angry because it's just too petty, it's just too but then I remembered a passage from the Bible. I'm talking this to any person with any religion, okay? I really don't have a religion, but I find the sacred books, the ones that I have an idea or that I read, because I read the 4 books of the life of Christ sometimes this last month, and there's a passage that I find it really enlightening, and I want to share, because I thought, why do they have such, why do they do this? And then I thought to myself, I'm not gonna lower myself or bend my values just because people do bad things to me. So then I will share a passage for those of you who have not read the Bible or who have and don't remember. But there's Mark 17:15, I think. And Jesus says, it's not what comes, I don't remember exactly, but it's the idea is this: it's not what comes from outside that defiles a man, but rather from the inside is what can defile a man, which means basically, which means that it's not what comes from outside, it's not people really cannot corrupt you, but rather in your heart, if you are bitter or vengeful, or it's just you sending the world of, it's what you send outside, it's what grows in you, it's what will grow in your heart. Will it be weed? Will you let other people's actions and other people's intentions um, corrupt you and your values? No, it's not what comes from outside. It's you. And to be honest, I like pretty things, so I want my heart to be a garden full of flowers. So thanks Jesus for the inspo. It's brilliant. Bye guys.